This is a quick review on this brother zigzag sewing machine. There are a lot of features that makes me like this machine so much. You know, if you plan to buy your zigzag machine that can sew straight line and also zigzag, I would prefer you go for this one. But if you don't have a zigzag of this model, some features that I will relate with you will help you to choose a good zigzag machine for your sewing work. So like this one, bring the camera here. As you can see here, all the elements in these zigzag machines are metal. So the first thing you would like to check before buying your zigzag machine or any tabletop is what is the components of this sewing machine. As you can see here, everything is metal. Let me turn it. Bring it here. All the components here, they are all metal. They are metal. So this metal will last for a long time, and if you sew with this maybe heavy things, it will still remain in position. It will not quickly spoil. That is number one. Then number two, this zigzag machine here sews with DP needle, which you can also apply HA. It will still sew very well. Another thing you will need to consider while choosing zigzag machine or tabletop machine is what type of shuttle is this machine coming with. As you can see, this one comes with normal shuttle, the one that shows butterfly. And even the engine here, they are all normal stuff. Like the carrier here is normal, like this engine cover, the one that fits butterfly, can also sew with this one as well. So coming back to the under here, as you can see, the elements here are all metals. So when it is metal like this, the duration of this machine will be very long, and you will also have it and replace at any time. Mind you, there are some certain machines that you want to buy, but when it got spoiled, you will not have some part to change. Like these ones, you see all these parts you are seeing here can be easily accessed. So coming back to the features here, look at here. These things are very easy to adjust, to play with. So that's why I would prefer you choose this type of sewing machine, like zigzag machine. In case I forgot to mention this one about this one, you can also use lights, electricity. This is the motor. The pedal is inside the motor here. You plug with the motor and sew. You can also use it with the belt. There are some tabletop that doesn't have this feature, ability for you to plug with the motor and also use the stand here. So when next you want to choose your zigzag sewing machine, think of how you can use it with manual. There is the stand here. Think of how it comes with shuttle here, how it also comes with things that you can quickly access. Think of how this inside is metal, as you can see here, because this metal will last for a long time, and the one that also have access to electricity, which you can plug it and use it as normal. Thank you so much. This is Top Clover. We are always here for you.